Hello everyone, welcome to Python Application Programming Lecture Series. In this lecture video, we will look into what is Python, what can Python do, why Python, how to install Python in Windows, and what is an IDE in Python. What exactly Python is? Python is a simple, easy to learn, powerful, high-level, and object-oriented programming language. The Python is an interpreted scripting language. Guido van Rossum is known as the founder of Python programming. It's released in 1991. Van Rossum says Python is benevolent dictator for life. He also says Python is an experiment in how much freedom programmers need. Too much freedom and nobody can read another's code. Too little and expressiveness is endangered. What we can do using Python? Python can be used on a server to create a web application. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle the big data and complex mathematics. Python can be used for a rapid prototyping or for product-ready software development. Using Python, we can do hacking. Python is multiple programming paradigms. Python is supporting procedural programming, object-oriented programming, imperative programming, and functional programming. So in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we use the Python for coding. Web testing, we use the Python. Python is a best choice for programmer to test the web application. Python could identify the bugs. So especially PI unit is identify the bugs. Using Python, we can extract the data. Data extraction is the process. It retrieves or organizes the data from different sources of web to an Excel sheet or local data devices. Nowadays, most data scientists and software engineers use a Python to conduct further studies and research on AI. If you want to implement data science, backbone will be Python. Python can be used in web applications and internet development. We can access the data and customize the data by using Python because Python is integrated with the Java, C, Ruby, or and C++ programming language. Python is provide the security for cybers. Using Python code, we can implement or we can design the games and 3D graphics. These are some applications of the Python. Now we will see why we have to learn Python. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and so on. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Easy to code. Python is a high-level programming language. Python is very easy to learn the language as compared to other language like C, C++, JavaScript, Java, so on. It is very easy to code in Python language and anybody can learn the Python basics in a few hours or days. It is also a developer friendly language. Python is a free and open source. Python language is freely available at the official website. Since it is open source, this means that source code is also available to the public, so you can download it as use it as well as share it. Python is a object-oriented language. One of the key features of the Python is object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented language and concept of class, objects, encapsulation, etc. Python supports a GUI programming. Graphical user interface can be made using a module such as Python Qt5 or Python Qt4, WX Python or TK Python. Python Qt5 is the most popular option for creating a graphical apps with Python. Python is a high-level language. Python is a high-level language. When we write program in Python, we do not need to remember the system architecture, nor do we need to manage the memory. Python have extensible feature. Python is a extensible language. We can write some Python code in C or C++ language, and also we can compile that code in C or C++ language. Python is a portable language. Python language is also a portable language. For example, if we have a Python code for Windows and if we want to run this code on another platform such as a Linux, Unix or Mac, then we do not need to change it. We can run this code on any platform. Python is an integrated language. Python is also an integrated language because we can easily integrate Python with other languages like C, C++, etc. Python is an interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language because Python code is executed line by line at a time, like other language C, C++, Java, etc. There is no need to compile Python code. This makes it easier to debug our code. The source code of Python is converted into an immediate form of bytecode. Python have a large standard library. Python has a large standard library which provides a rich set of modules and functions. So you can do not have to write your own code for every single thing. There are many libraries present in a Python for such as regular expression, unit testing, web browsers, so on. Python code is dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. That means that type, for example, int, double, long, etc. for a variable is decided at a runtime, not in advance. Because of this feature, we do not need to specify the type of variable. In Python, no compilation and linking is required. For example, in C program, we write the code in high-level language. Then we converted high-level language into a machine-level language. For this process, compiler is required. In Python, automatically converted into a bytecode. So in Python, it's automatically converted to bytecode. So here, compiler is not required. Python is a case sensitive. In Python, no type declaration. We can assign the data or values directly to variable. These are some features of Python. Now we will see how to install Python in Windows. At first we will go to browser. So click on Google Chrome. Here you type Python. So click on official website. Python.org is the official website. Go to download. So if you want to install Python in Windows, you click here. If you want to install Python in Mac OS, you click here. If you want to install Python in other platform like Unix, Linux, you click here. So here I want to install Python in Windows 10. So just you click here. So latest version is 3.9.4. So in 3.9.4 I have two version, the 32-bit and 64-bit. So I want to install 64-bit. So just you click here. So it will take few seconds. So double click on exe file. So we get one pop-up message. Just you click on run. So click on customize installation. Then you click on next. Check installation for users, add Python environment variable, download debug symbols, click on download debug binaries. Now you select the path. So this is the default path. After that, just you click on install. It will take few minutes. Successfully we install the Python. Just you click on close. So now we have to verify. Now we have to verify the Python. So just you click on start, type cmd. So click on command prompt. Just you type here python space double hyphen version, enter. So installed version is 3.9.4. Now we will execute one simple program. So go to start, type python. So click on python IDLE. A it's equal to 4. So 4 is assigned to A is the variable, enter. So A value is 4, again enter. So we get 4. Print CEC space Mangalore, enter. So we get CEC Mangalore. So we successfully installed Python latest version, and we cross verify the installed version. We cross verify the installed version, it's working fine. Now we will see IDE in Python. IDE is stand for Integrated Development Environment. It's a coding tool which allows you to write, test, and debug your code in an easier way. These are some popular coding tools in Python. IDLE, PyCharms, Anaconda, Spider, Atom, Jupyter, and so on. So you can install individually or Just you installed Anaconda Navigator. So in Anaconda Navigator, we get all Python coding tools. These are some references. Thank you.